Veeva Vault CRM is being promoted as a next-generation CRM built specifically for pharma and life sciences. But the real question is whether it actually improves workflow or just adds another complex system. Now, the idea behind this isn't fake. Vault CRM is a real, enterprise-grade platform designed to unify sales, marketing, and medical teams on a single system with shared data and tools. However, here's the key point. It can significantly improve workflow, but only if implemented and configured properly. Where it actually improves workflow, there are some strong advantages. 1. Centralized workflows. Vault CRM connects multiple teams into one system with a single customer database, reducing silos and duplicated work. 2. Built-in compliance and approvals. It includes structured workflows for approvals, documentation, and regulatory compliance, which is critical in pharma environments. 3. AI-assisted productivity. Features like AI agents help with pre-call planning, automated insights, voice input, and note-taking. This can reduce manual data entry and prep time, where it struggles. This is where reality differs from marketing. 1. Steep learning curve. Many users say the system is complex and takes time to learn, especially for new teams. It has a very long learning curve. 2. Workflow can feel overcomplicated. Because it's built for compliance-heavy industries, workflows can become rigid multi-step slower for simple tasks. They overcomplicated workflows. So, does Veeva Vault CRM improve workflow? Yes, but not automatically. The bottom line is this. Veeva Vault CRM is a powerful industry-specific tool that can significantly improve workflow, especially in regulated environments. But it comes with complexity, a learning curve, and heavy reliance on proper setup. If implemented well, it can streamline operations and boost productivity. If implemented poorly, it can feel slow, complicated, and frustrating to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.